and then let me know someone unplug it or whatever I have to do at that point. And of course, I'll be programmed so that nobody thinks they should unplug it or something. I think so. I don't really understand it. I think it's an incredible technological advance in terms of showing what we can do, but I don't know whether we know what happens. And I was listening. Who was it the other day that was, who knows a lot about technology? He just says that, it scares him. Well, if it scares him, it scares me in terms of the possibilities of it. I mean, we've done amazing things, like we figured out how to create an atom bomb back in 1945. I didn't know what an atom was or anything, but Einstein told me it was going to change the world, and it changed the world. So I don't want to change the world too many times without having some idea of the consequences of it. And I think this is extraordinary, but I don't know whether it's beneficial.